Hi! Luto tayo ng pananghalian. Ang lutuin natin ngayon is pansit. Ito yung aking mga ricados, cabbage, bell pepper, onion, carrots, garlic, and I have sliced into cube pork. Here's my pansit, and then my bihon. Actually, we're going to cook some banh mi. Okay, since I add some oil on my hook now, next I'm going to add my pork. Then, inikos-nikos natin siya. Okay, guys. Antay lang natin siya maging golden brown. Okay, so nag-golden brown na siya mga Mars. Next, add natin yung ating bawang. And our onions. Then of course, we're going to add some cube para mas lalong maging masarap. Tapos ko yung apoy. Then I'm going to add some carrots. Oh, look at that. So yummy. Next, my cabbage and my bell pepper. Hi! I gotta flip my cam again. Guys, so mix natin siya. Tapos lagyan natin ng konting mainit na tubig. Then we're going to add some soy sauce, oyster. Okay. And then we're going to add some pepper. Now next, my pansit. Mix natin. Now, okay. Mix natin siya. Just add some oyster. Okay, then mix together. Okay. So now we're going to taste it first. For a second, I'm gonna taste it first. Oh my God. One more time. Napakasarap. Okay guys. So thank you for watching. Happy lunchtime!